and welcome to this RapidStream video. My name is Maurice, and this time it's not a classic tutorial. I want to show you how we at RapidStream handle data privacy. So let's straight away get into it. In the field of advertisements, privacy plays a huge role. RapidStream complies with the most common regulations to protect users' privacy. For example, GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe, the CCPA, the California Consumer Privacy Act, and COPPA, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. Let's have a look into each of those three, and I will tell you how we comply with the regulations and what you can do to fulfill these regulations too. Let's have a look at the GDPR. Well, aside from the IP address of our users, we do not store any personal information, so you're safe on that part. In addition to that, any transfer to ad servers only occurs when a valid IAB TCF string is provided to us. This way we make sure that only if the user gave his consent, data is transferred to ad servers. If you need more information how we handle GDPR, you can find all further GDPR relevant aspects such as our privacy policy or right of withdrawal on our product page, rapidstream.video. The California Privacy Act adds user agent and device ID as personally identifiable information, in addition to GDPR. So in this case, it's not only the IP address. We extract the input parameter, US privacy, and follow along the syntax according to IAB specifications. If the flag is set, as a first step, we replace all information, IP, user agent, device ID, with the string CCPA. In our logs, we can then see that this occurred, but we cannot see any personal information. There are two ways to fulfill the COPPA or COPPA requirements. The first variant is a parameter, COPPA, that can be delivered with the request and is forwarded as such to the ad server. In this case, the calling service already determines whether the content falls under your youth protection guidelines. The second variant is a bit more complex. The broadcasted content was injected into our EPG catalog. In the process, the EPG titles are equipped with the meta information genre, a comma-separated list of genres, such as kids or children. Now you can add a conditional setting in your ad server configuration. I told you how you can do that in a prior tutorial video, so let's just have a quick look at it. As you can see, I am in the RapidStream panel and I opened the ad server configuration within demo ad server. And what we do now is add a conditional configuration. We use a placeholder because we injected EPG data into the system, so we can use EPG genre, and our target key is going to be COPPA. So now we can create a mapping. Let's say, for example, our genre is kids. Then the COPPA target key should be 1. If the genre is something else, it should be 0. So whenever a broadcast has the genre kids, the COPPA field will be set to 1. Otherwise, it will be set to 0. So as you can see, this is pretty easy, and of course you can build way more complex configurations. If you have any further questions, feel free to get in contact with us. We're happy to help. See you in the next video. Bye bye.